How's it going, guys? Enigma, and welcome back to Jurassic Park. Minecraft Jurassic Park, that is. I've been doing some stuff off camera. I've gotten a lot of more cobblestone, and I upgraded the smeltery. These bricks, they're called seared stone. They're easy to get, if you look here. Somewhere around there. Yeah, seared stone. You get it by smelting cobblestone like this. See? So once this fully cooks up, it'll turn into seared stone. I haven't been able to finish it because it takes a lot of cobblestone to make a single bit of seared stone. It's literally that, well, how do I explain it? That resource taking. Anyway, I processed most of my ores, as you can see. I usually did by blocks of 9 so I can evenly put them out. Oh, it's not in here. Are they in my inventory? No. Well, there's copper. There's the blocks of copper. With all the copper we add in divided by 9, we're able to get 12 blocks. So times it by 9, it's 108. Jeez, that's a lot of that's a lot of copper. There's some things I couldn't process, like the osmium. We have 9, but it doesn't want to process. Alright, where's the iron? We actually had a ton of iron, if I'm right. No, seriously, where's the iron? That is so odd. I don't see any ingots in my bar. I better not have turned them all into cobblestone. I mean, buckets. Ooh. Oh, they're right there. I mixed them up with marble. Oh my god, so we got 5 blocks, and part of today's episode, I've been looking more research into more of the mods I have. We don't need factory up. And I saw Minecraft helicopters. I looked at the recipe. I was looking up some recipes. And let's look at where's the most basic helicopter. Terraspace. And there's also these turrets. You can make them, and well, they're basically turrets. You get in and they're land, and you can shoot things down. Shoot these helicopters down. Alright, this is it. Little bird. Turn it, and look. 1 iron block and some iron. That's not as cheap as I wanted, but it's still pretty cheap. And these are mainly made of irons, it seems. What the heck is an AH? AH6 killer egg. This egg is killer, man. No. I don't know if I started to sound a bit like an RC. What? There are toy helicopters in here? That actually kind of surprises me. MINT Havoc. Still pretty expensive. And this TNT. So that's basically what we make it. We make it mainly out of iron blocks. What is this made out of? Yeah, as you can see, more iron blocks. And where there is if I'm right, there's a like basic plane, not the Thunderbolt. Jeez, that's fast. Barrier, that's glass. Seriously, where's the basic plane? I remember there being a basic plane. No? Really? No? Spectre, Tom Cafe, Flanker, Fulcrum. Okay, why can't I find my basic plane? Seriously. A UAV station. What the heck is a UAV station? I wonder. Alright, so longbow. Jeez, I can't find my plane anywhere. Sad face. Alright, so let's make the basic helicopter. Okay, now where am I? Okay, it's right there. Good. Bop, 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 bop. And we have enough for the fuel. If I'm right, one. Expect this. I don't see how a helicopter could be an item. It seems a little too big, to be honest. Alright, and okay, fuel can. Alright, so that's coal or charcoal and a 5 iron. That's actually pretty expensive for a fuel can. I mean, seriously. Shouldn't have to use that much iron for that. Alright, we can use 1 charcoal to use as fuel. Alright. Blup. Blup. Minecart and what? Why isn't it working? Why you no work? Why? Huh? Oh. Will it not work for charcoal? Alright, I'll be back with some coal. Alright, I'm back. I got the coal. It was actually pretty easy. It was just right at the beginning of the cave. Probably would show it, but meh. Alright. Now, let's do this. Coal goes there. And there's my iron. Iron goes here. And that's our fuel. Alright. And also, we got the stone here. And we got... Oh, we don't have any more iron. Here's what I'm going to do. Place 1. Hang on. Where's the quest book? I'm not seeing it in my inventory. I am such derp. There. And then 5, let's see the quest book. Oh, and I didn't have to put in the / questing mode this time. Alright. First things first, we need concrete, factory blocks, 60, so 64. And from right, it's 32 per creation, 32. So you need 3. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Well, depending on iron wise, that is pretty big. Right. 2, 2, 2, 2. I'm gonna take these back. Put that in. I'm gonna combine these to help save inventory space. There. And I'll combine these. There. Now we actually have room to do this. 2, 2, 2, 2. And where is these? That's not the stone. And I'll lay a little stone. If you know that song, it's called Weighted Storage Cube. Did I do it the wrong way? Although that is pretty interesting. Apparently, in that order, I can make a weighted storage cube. Oh, there we go. Metal and 64. And we're also going to need a chisel. Luckily, we had 1 extra iron ingot. We're using our iron, but actually we're using iron pretty fast. Like, really, really fast. Not really that good. What? Oh, there we go. Excellent. And now, you know what? I'll just place these down. I'll just put them into ingots. It's gonna be a bit easier. So we got 1. We just need 1 more. Alright, stone. And last factory block. It was right 64 of these. And then actually we don't even need to take there. Okay, I seriously need to start inventorizing like pronto. Stone could go, marble And copper. Clay, we don't need right now. Charcoal. Seared brick, we so don't need. Dirt, we can keep. We don't need the glass. Could keep the boat and the buckets. We're gonna need that for the quest. Don't need this iron. And what else do we not? We don't need these books. We don't need them. And I can put this away. There. Now let's get into the book. My materials. Okay, how do I submit it? Oh, I need more concrete. Crap. Alright, where's the gravel? And it doesn't look like I have any. Dang it. Alright, give me a second and I will pick... Well, might as well do it on camera. I could be able to chat some of what I plan to do. Alright, so once we get into the helicopter, I'll probably try and learn about how to use it. Since the helicopters I'm using from MC Heli, I know that there's ways of flying in Flans mod, but they're not as good as the MC Heli. MC Heli has better controls than Flans mod does. No offense, Flans mod or Flans mod lovers, but MC Heli has a bit better control, like being able to fly and such, and has better physics, so your planes will go haywire if it touches land. And they just look a bit neater. They're not like original classic vanilla style, but they look a bit nicer in design. They have actual models. Alright, and is that enough? Nope, not yet. And so once we get, and with the helicopter, after we learn how to fly it, from what I know, like southeast from here, there's a village. We can go over there and see what they trade. There's a special mod for it, Minecraft Comes Alive. It's a new mod, and I just lost my shovel. Do we have enough? Yes, yes we do. Ah, perfect. Let's get out. I'll put this on the furnace and hope that it all smelts. Because we're gonna need that. Oh, sorry. Hi, Impulse. And no, that's... Wait, what am I doing? What? What am I doing? Okay. Enigma, why are you dropping coal right now? 10, I'm gonna put a little bit on the... I'm just gonna put one coal, then I'll place this back. There. Now, some of the gravel will be done, and when I come back, I'll have more to cook, but that'll be fine. There won't be much left. Alright. Let's place this down so I place a bit flatter. I think here would be nice. Huh? Oh! There it is. Like I said, it has a bit nicer textures. You can see it's better modeling. And now let's get into the pilot seat. There's several seats here. This is great for when you're on a server, because then multiple people could sit in and fly. Alright. MC Heli, MCHEC.name. Can I come in? Hello? Why can't I sit? There we go, okay. Is this the right one? No. Hold on. There, that should do it a bit better. Or maybe I should actually move it somewhere. I don't know where to move it. Okay. Next seat. F. This is not the pilot seat. Give me a pilot seat, please. This isn't the right one. Still. Come on. Give me the right seat. Get me out. Let me out! There. It's a bit strange. I don't know why it's not letting me into the pilot seat. Sir? Please let me sit. Please let me fly. Why can't I fly you? Dang it. There. Let's try it again. There might have been some sort of glitch or something. Right. And... nope. Not what I'm wanting. There. Nicer inventory. Okay. Let's try it again. This might be a bit better. It's a bit flatter. There's no grass. And you can see how nice it is. Hold on. Thumbnail. Did it work? I'll try it again. Come on. There we go. Alright. Let's try and get it. There we go. Wait, let's... nope, not what I'm wanting. Alright. Free look. What the? Camera mode. Not what I'm wanting either. Hold on. There we go. F5. And for my, it's page down, right? Oh, there we go. Yep. Yep. Alright. Nice. I think this would be good, nice for helicopter mode. Alright, there. Now you can see us inside. I just looked this off a video. Etho, if you're wondering. Alright. So that's our helicopter. Go back. And wait, R. And here's where we put up the fuel. There's enough for 3 fuel slots. I might actually do that. Fabulous! Oh, that took up the whole fuel can. Alright. So let's try space. Center. Up, right? Right? Okay, there. We're going up. Woo! We're going up, baby. Alright. So when you use this. Alright, we're flying. Now that's our style. And now where are we? Hold on. If I just put the map back. There. You can't see where we are, but... oh! Oh! Oh, son of a gun. Map wasn't loaded up. Need to get up in the air. Quick. Alright. I am not... I can't see squat. Lift me up. Lift me up. And number 5, number 6, 7, 9. Alright, let's go down to a bit of a... let's try and go a bit lower. Whoa, not that low. Let's stick around. And I'm on ground. Okay, so I know which height is normal. Alright, hover mode. What the heck is going on? Please go up. Please. Alright, there. Hover mode again. And now we should be fine. I hope. I don't think this is even enough height. I think we're gonna hit a tree or something. But we're doing fine right now. F5. I don't know why it's all dark and gloomy. If you guys play this on there, I wonder if you guys get it dark and gloomy. I get it on my... I don't know if you see it as dark and gloomy, but on my... when I record, The F5, it's all dark, like all shady. Not that it's a stranger, no, but ooh, sheep, perfect. And food. Oh my gosh, this is the perfect place. This is the place. Let's head to the village. I see a purple tree. You can remember that. And there's the village. There it is. Alright, we need to find a proper landing spot. Alright, where'd be a good place to land? Alright, wait. Let's go to F5 mode for this. I don't see any area. Well, maybe this one. Hold on. Let's go down. Woo! Nailed it. There. Turn off. You're supposed to turn yourself off. Jeez. Why can't you do that? Alright. Where's everybody? And like I said, we have Minecraft comes alive. Hold on, it looks like they're... Every time I see the guards, they're always trapped in this little fenced area. What's with that? And that guy's stuck halfway in the ground. Is he a dwarf? Is he a dwarf or something? Oh, no, never mind. Okay. Where are we? This is a nice place. We could do a little bit of raiding. Like, take some of the potatoes. Do some trading. Also get other stuff that might help in our cause. There's a lot of sheep. I should have made... Oh, I left the iron back home. Oh, I can't make a bed. Bugger. You know what? When we get home, I'm gonna make a bed. That's probably gonna be one of my first things to do. Hello, sir. What can you give me? For an emerald, they'll give me half a stack of baobab wood. That's not bad, I think. I hope. Oh, and actually, as well, we should probably remember... this is a way to refill the can. There, see? Bam. Alright. How much is this? Bop. Bop. We'll have to do there for accurate so that we don't waste any coal. This coal is actually kind of precious. It's my precious. Alright. Hello, sheep. I see you've eaten a block of grass. Good job. If I could give you a thumbs up right now, I'd be doing that right now. Alright. So, where are some other places? Here's the Tinker's... Where are you going? Where are you going, son? Sir, let me trade with you. Excuse me, 10 pistons and a landmine. Interacts with everything. You'll give me some iron oreberry bush. Wait. Oh, that's for inventory tweaks. Okay. That's probably not a good bargain. But I will take this piston. What are you gonna do about it, son? Huh? He's angry right now, isn't he? Alright. Ooh, obsidian pan. I'll definitely take that. Iron handguard. That's actually pretty good. Piperax head. Copper sword. Oh my! Copper sword head. That's pretty good. Bronze. Bone. I don't think we want bone. No way. And then take this. I don't really care about the tools and such. I mainly care about like the well, the reason why I got Tinker's Construct was for mainly Tinker's Mechworks and for the drawbridges. Drawbridges are very, very useful. Very useful. Oh. Crap. Not enough inventory space. Give me the stencil table. I need to put your stuff back. I'm sorry, sir. In a way, I have suffered consequences of stealing his stuff. Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. Hold on. So let me put your stuff back and I'll give you a perfect apology. Alright, there. Sir, I am sorry for trying to steal your stuff. I tried and I failed. I'm sorry. Alright. I don't think he's angry with us that much. Alright, at least I hope not. Sheep, what are you doing? I think the sheep is a genius. He learned how to use roads, I think. Oh my gosh. Whoops. Hey guys, I just returned from a crash. Now remember, this is the crashy chest. Whenever you open it, or try to open it, its contents are so buggy that they literally crash your game. Hey sheep, how are you doing on that beehive? Anyway, it crashes your game so bad that you cannot play like until you restart your whole computer. So that's what I just went and did. And my files were corrupted. Luckily, with the screen recorder I use. Hey sheep, you want to come in? Anyway, I use thing that help fix the corruption, but this is a very bad chest. I call it the Pandora chest. Yeah, that's right. It's so bad and it's such a destroyer of worlds. I can't get rid of it because it's technically not in the map that I made it out of. This is all newly generated area, but it always spawns with that. Always. Yeah, it's really horrible actually. And it takes forever. So if you guys play if you guys play this mod pack, listen to these words carefully. They are very important. Wait, oakwood, birchwood. Oh, limewood. Anyway, back to the hand. If you find this chest, don't open it. And especially, don't break the chest. Whatever you do, don't break the Pandora chest. Otherwise, the corrupted items will be in your actual world. They won't be in the chest file. They'll be out in your world and it will crash it every time you log on. You will never have this world again. It's just that horrible. I know. But yeah. Alright. And actually, now that we got all that covered, let's go. Hey, it's morning. And actually, now that we got the Pandora chest covered, let's go talk to the villagers. I haven't seen you around here. Me neither. I haven't seen you either.